Hello friends, welcome back to Simple Bapadar channel. Today I'm taking you to a place in Bangkok which is not just a hotel, it's an experience. Today's destination is the Baiyoke Sky Hotel, one of the tallest and most iconic hotels in Thailand. If you visit Bangkok and miss this hotel, you'll miss a lot. In this video, we will explore everything: the hotel's history, room tour, dining experience, the 360-degree rotating rooftop, night view, price details, nearby attractions, booking tips, everything. So watch the video till the end.
Under the open sapphire sky, in the heart of Bangkok town, city lights whisper softly as the night comes falling down. Thailand feels like stories drifting gently in the air, calling me with dreams and colors, magic everywhere. Oh, Baiyoke Sky Hotel, you rise beyond the clouds so high. From your 84th floor windows, starlight kisses the sky. Painted in the shades of Bangkok, dazzling bright and true. Standing on your rooftop feels like flying into something new.
Let's begin our journey. Let's start with the history and background of Baiyoke Sky Hotel. Baiyoke Tower 2, the skyscraper where this hotel is located, stands at a height of 309 meters, with a total of 88 floors, and it was completed in 1998. At that time, it was the tallest skyscraper in Thailand. Even today, it remains one of the most recognizable landmarks of the Bangkok skyline. The hotel is special for its height, architecture, and breathtaking 360-degree views. It has more than 660 rooms, divided into 3 major zones: Standard Zone, Sky Zone, and Space Zone. Being near Pratunam makes this hotel perfect for tourists. Shopping, food, nightlife, everything is within walking distance. If you want to feel real Bangkok luxury, Baiyoke Sky is truly a landmark. How to reach the hotel? Reaching Baiyoke Sky Hotel from Bangkok Airport is very easy. From Suvarnabhumi Airport, you can take the airport rail link, get down at Ratchaprarop station, and walk for just 5 minutes to reach the hotel. If you take a taxi, it takes around 30 to 40 minutes. Around the hotel, you'll find Pratunam Market, Platinum Mall, Central World, Big C, all within a few minutes. Location-wise, this hotel is one of the most convenient places in Bangkok.
Sings a melody floating through the night. Street markets glow with spices, laughter and neon light. Tuk-tuks race.
Let's enter the hotel. As you enter the hotel, the first thing you'll notice is the grand entrance. Security, staff support, luggage service, everything is smooth. The lobby is a bit compact, but the check-in process is very professional and fast. There are separate elevators for higher floors, which makes the guest experience very organized. Among all Bangkok hotels, Baiyoke Sky's check-in experience is honestly quite hassle-free. Now comes the most exciting part, the room tour. Baiyoke Sky hotel rooms are divided into 3 zones. 1. Standard Zone, 22nd to 45th floor. 2. Sky Zone, 46th to 63rd floor. 3. Space Zone, 64th to 74th floor. Each zone has a different view, design, and ambiance. Let's take a look inside the rooms. Room features: large windows with panoramic city view, comfortable big bed with clean linen TV, mini fridge, wardrobe, coffee and tea, setup, spacious bathroom, 24 hours room service. Stunning city light views at night from high floors. The Space Zone rooms have truly cinematic views. You can see the entire Bangkok skyline. clear day views, and sparkling night views. The cleanliness is great, the room size is large, and the bathrooms are quite spacious as well. Perfect for couples, families, and solo travelers.
Across the bustling scene, Thailand's smile becomes a poem, gentle, pure, and serene. Oh, Baiyoke Sky Hotel, your windows watch the city breathe. Every light a tiny heartbeat, every shadow weaves a myth. On your rooftop breeze, I feel my wandering soul unfold. In this city's midnight magic, stories shimmer, dreams are told. High above the world, below life looks soft and bright. Every tear and every joy becomes a spark of light. A cup of tea in hand, I whisper memories in the air. For this city's tender wonder stays with me everywhere. Oh, Baiyoke Sky Hotel, you are my song above the earth. From your heights I see the world, I feel a second birth. Thailand, land of colors, you're my dream and my delight. In your glow I wrote a story, love and wanderlust tonight. Ooh, I'll return again someday. My heart already knows Thailand and Baiyoke Sky, where my sweetest memory grows. Memory grows.
The complimentary breakfast buffet at Baiyoke Sky Hotel is very popular in Bangkok. It takes place on the 81st floor, meaning you'll feel like you're having breakfast above the clouds. The buffet includes Thai cuisine, international dishes, rice, noodles, curry items, live omelette counter, pastries and desserts, fresh fruit corner, a wide variety of beverages.
The sunlight wakes my sleepy eyes. A golden breeze, the morning skies. Coffee's brewing, the day feels new, and every smell reminds me of you. Breakfast time, the world feels right. Toast and laughter, soft daylight. A cup of peace, a plate of dreams. It's simpler than it seems. Butter melting on warm white bread. Sweet fruit shining in shades of red. Eggs are smiling, tea is warm. This quiet joy becomes my charm. Breakfast time, the world feels right. Toast and laughter, soft daylight. A cup of peace, a plate of dreams. It's simpler than it seems. No rush, no noise, just calm and clear. The morning whisper
The morning view from this floor is magical. The sunlight lights up the entire city. One of the biggest highlights of Baiyoke Sky Hotel is the revolving viewpoint, the rotating floor. On the 83rd floor, the entire floor slowly rotates. You can stand or sit in one place and watch the whole Bangkok city moving around you. It's a very unique experience. Especially the night view is mind-blowing. The entire city shines like millions of tiny lights, romantic, peaceful, and unforgettable.
Under the open sapphire sky in the heart of Bangkok town, city lights whisper softly.
Next, let's go to the observation deck on the 84th floor. From here, you get a full 360-degree view of Bangkok City. Daytime, sunset, or night. The view is stunning in all three times. There are giant telescopes, perfect photo spots, and large glass windows for panoramic views. Best time to visit between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. when the city lights slowly begin to glow. The night view of Bangkok from Baiyoke Sky is truly breathtaking. City lights, moving traffic, tall skyscrapers, everything creates a magical atmosphere. For photography lovers, night hours are the best. As a traveler, this is personally my favorite part. The dinner buffet happens on the 76th and 78th floors. Seafood, Thai dishes, desserts, everything is available. Dinner combined with the night view becomes one of the highlights of your Bangkok trip. Let's now look at the practical details, price and booking. Room prices at Baiyoke Sky Hotel usually range between 5,000 to 10,000 Indian rupees, depending on the season. Best season to stay in Bangkok is November to February. Best booking platforms, agodabooking.com. Official hotel website. Booking early gives you the highest chance of getting a discount. Around the hotel, you'll find endless shopping and food options. Nearby locations: Pratunam Market, Platinum Fashion Mall, Central World, Big C Supermarket, Indra Market Street food lanes. For shopping lovers, Baiyoke Sky is a paradise. To make your stay even better, here are some tips. Choose a high-floor room. The view is unmatched. Visit observation deck 30 minutes before sunset. Pratunam Market is best in the morning. Do try the street food. Check-in time is crowded. Expect a 20 to 30-minute wait. So friends, Baiyoke Sky Hotel is not just a hotel. It's a complete Bangkok experience. Rooms, views, food, rooftop, everything together makes your Bangkok trip special. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe the channel Simple Bapada. I'll be back soon with a new travel experience. Till then, travel simple, live simple.
As the night comes falling down, Thailand feels like stories drifting gently in the air, calling me with dreams and colors, magic everywhere. Oh, Baiyoke Sky Hotel, you rise beyond the clouds so high. From your 84th floor window, starlight kisses the sky. Painted in the shades of Bangkok, dazzling bright and true. Standing on your rooftop feels like flying into something new. The child Freya sings a melody floating through the night. Street markets glow with spices, laughter and neon light. Tuk-tuks race like painted dreams across the bustling scene. Thailand's smile becomes a poem, gentle, pure and serene. Oh, Baiyoke Sky Hotel. watch the city breathe. Every light a tiny heartbeat, every shadow weaves a myth. On your rooftop breeze I feel my wandering soul unfold. In this city's midnight magic stories shimmer, dreams are told. Life looks soft and bright. Every tear and every joy becomes a spark of light. A cup of tea in hand, I whisper memories in the air. For this